Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to solve linear equation when the x is at the denominator. We have never encountered this situation. We are to remove the x minus 1 on the denominator. The best way for us to do is to multiply both sides by x minus 1. On the left-hand side, your x minus 1 gets eliminated with the denominator, leaving you 2 on the left. And on the right, you see you have a multiply 4 and an expression inside the parentheses. We are to remove the parentheses by distributing 4 into each term inside the parentheses. You should get 4x minus 4. So by convention, we are to put 4x on the left. So we minus 4x on both sides of the equation. Let's look at the left-hand side. Minus 4x plus 2 equal to, on the right-hand side, you should see that your 4x and the minus 4x gets eliminated, leaving you minus 4. And we are to eliminate the plus 2 on the left, and we are to minus 2 on both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, I believe your plus 2 and minus 2 gets eliminated, leaving you minus 4x. And on the right, minus 4 minus 2 gives you minus 6. The last step we are to remove the coefficient minus 4. We are to divide both sides by minus 4. On the left-hand side, I believe your minus 4 and minus 4 gets eliminated, leaving you x. On the right-hand side, minus minus turns to plus, and 6 divided by 4 should give you 3 over 2. The last question we have, let's remove the x plus 1 first on the left. So we are to multiply both sides by x plus 1. On the left-hand side, your x plus 1 gets eliminated, so as x plus 1. And the right side remains the same. And we are now to remove the x minus 2 on the right. We are to multiply both sides by x minus 2. I believe the right, your x minus 2 gets eliminated, and x minus 2. So let's see whatever we have on the left. You have x minus 2 times 1. So that simply is x minus 2. You can directly remove the parentheses because it's 1. Is equal to 2 times x plus 1. Don't forget to put the parentheses. On the left-hand side, the reason we remove the parentheses directly because the outside multiplier is 1. But let me just put it back. And the next step is for us to remove the parentheses in both sides. So let's do it. On the left, as usual, you can directly remove the 1, leaving you x minus 2. On the right, I believe 2 times x should give you 2x. And 2 times 1 should give you 2. 2x on the right, so we are to minus 2x on both sides. On the right, I believe your plus 2x and minus 2x, that gets eliminated, leaving you the 2. And on the left, I believe you can collect the like terms here. X minus 2x, I believe that should give you minus x. We want to remove the minus 2 that is operated on minus x, so we plus 2 on both sides. On the left-hand side, your minus 2 and plus 2 gets eliminated, leaving you minus x. The right-hand side, 2 plus 2, will give you 4. The last, we want to remove the minus sign attached to x, and to be specific, is a minus 1. So we divide both sides by minus 1. I believe if you are to perform that, that should give you x is equal to minus 4.